Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Fonts for modern branding layouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Fonts website at fonts.google.com. Browse or search for the font you want to use. Once you find the desired font, click on it to open its details page. On the font details page, locate the Select this style button. Click on the button to select the specific style you want, such as regular or bold. After selecting the style, a pop-up will appear at the bottom of your screen. In the pop-up, you will see a section labeled Use on the Web. Copy the provided link under the Embed tab. Now, open your HTML file in a text editor or code editor. Paste the copied link within the head section of your HTML document. Next, you will want to apply the font to your CSS. In your CSS file, select the elements you want to change the font for. Use the font family property to set the font to the one you selected from Google Fonts. For example, write, font family, your font name, sans serif. Save your changes to the HTML and CSS files. Open your web browser and refresh the page to see the font in action. If the font appears correctly, you have successfully installed Google Fonts. Now you can use this font in your modern branding layouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.